Morning, Pastor. I saw your message that the persons have reached their breaking point. I just want to let you know that it's not that everything is true. And what they're doing is that they said they're out of oxygen. So what they do is that you have a little oxygen in the day, and it's very sad that when it comes down to night, what they do, and I've seen this firsthand, that they turn the oxygen off, and that is what is killing people. They turn off the oxygen, so the persons are not able to breathe. A whole lot of politics is being played here. We want people to die, so when in the days we do everything that we can, and in the night them lock off the oxygen. Listen to me, Jamaican language people. Them lock off the oxygen, and the people them dead. We have multiple deaths. When I came in this morning, quite a number of persons died. On Friday night, quite a number of persons died. This morning I was coming in and I saw Sister Elaine Briscoe going out, and she said she had to go under the walls and keep church because the people were just breathing in and out and stop. Yeah, that is what is happening. Let me tell you, man, God is going to do something to these people. It is not all true that persons are just dying of COVID. We are helping to kill them. And when I said we, I'm not talking us as nurses, we are talking higher authorities. They are helping to kill the people. You just come and turn off the oxygen and say ICU don't have enough. I can't understand. From where I stand, I know things are not going right, brethren. We need to pray for these monsters that we have. We need to pray for the persons who are becoming the gods of this earth. Brethren, I mean, serious prayer. We have to do something. God must do something. Things are out of control. Right now, I am here and I am in one cubicle. I have like 9 or 10 COVID patients. Me, one. And I am running the ward. I mean, one of 10 of them. It was 11:05 when I could get something to bite. Mama said 11:05 when I could stop just to get something to eat. My phone was ringing. Me can't answer nobody because I feel like serious pressure. And the people them a ball out, me can't breathe, and you can't do nothing because they turn the oxygen on low, so if you're on high you can't get nothing. And then when it comes on tonight, them turn it off. Brethren, let us pray. We can't let up. Satan can't win. We must pray.